Hello guys, welcome to another video. Here in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a clicker game in Scratch. So what we're going to want to do is first let's make a new variable. First I already made the variables because I tried to film once and then something happened which I have to redo the video. So just make a CPC and a score variable. First we're going to want to take a set and a change. I'm going to put the set will be with CPC and change will be with score. And put on both just CPC, just like this. Now we do when flag clicked, and then we enable them like this. And we set CPC to 1 and set score to 0, just like this. Okay, we did that, right? Okay, good. Now, as you can see, every time, one sec. No, not one. Why did I keep putting when flag clicked? No. When sprite clicked, it'll change. So now we don't have to worry about the score anymore. All we have to do is just work on the CPC and it'll automatically change the amount of points we get when we click. So, okay, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to do when flag click this time. We're going to want to do a set and another set CPC and set score to CPC to 1 and score to 0. So it's every time you missed the flag button when I pressed them, I think. There we go. Every time when you click this, it's gonna restart what you did. So, and that's gonna be helpful. And if you don't want it to save, but you want to save it when you're building the game, because then it's gonna. Because if you don't, then you're gonna have to put it back to 0, put it 0, and then you have to perfectly get it to 1. So it's just easier. But you can take it off when you're gonna post it, if you're gonna post. Anyways, okay. So now this is kind of boring though, when you just go with your mouse and it just doesn't do anything to the. It clicks, but it doesn't do any animations. We're gonna try to make this real good. So what we're gonna do is this time I think when flag clicked. Forever, if then else, then we're gonna put I'm not thinking straight. If touching mouse pointer, then go on looks and then take the change size by, put one there, and we'll just take one for just now, so it's easier. And then there's a division, put the division one, and then put a subtraction one. So here will be a 4, we'll put 4 here. Here will be 1, 10, and then here put a size block. Put the size block. Well, put the size, what are these called? Pieces or because I don't really know what they're called. Make a duplicate and put them both in here. And now technically make this so just normal 100. Now look what happens. Put our mouse on it, it gets bigger. Okay, good. We want to make it, and also we want to make it so whenever we click on it, it gets big for a second and then gets back down, gets smaller again. So what we're gonna want to do for that is just set size to 120. And just like that. Okay, good. That's good. Nice. Now we want to make those power-up things. I don't really know what they're called. Comment down below what those are called. Like those little things so you get more CPC. Technically, count for clicks. So let's make a new sprite. We're gonna paint. We're gonna go on paint, and we're gonna let's just make a normal box like that. Okay, like that. Let's fill it up with white, I think. Yes, with white. You don't need to use white. I'm just using it because so you can see what the words are. Or you can just make it black and then just like that. And then let's just give it an outline. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, good. Now we can zoom in. And we now can add some text. Text will be, let's just use some random foods like peas, pizza. I don't know, you can pick what, you don't need to use these. Okay, like that. Let's put it there, and let's make a smaller text right here saying how many score you would need it. let's say you need 100 score to get pizza. Let's do this. Okay, so then put it right there. You don't need to do how I'm doing it. This is just, you don't need to use the same words. Okay, you can do however you need it. And also, let's just make this just a little smaller. Okay, now let's put this lower and then down. Okay, so we got pizza, right? Now let's give it some code. So when this sprite clicked, let's just zoom in. So when this sprite clicked, wait, first let's just set it right there. So when this sprite clicked, so what we're gonna, so now we're gonna put an if score is bigger than 99, because if we put 100, then it has to be bigger than 100. So, and if you get exactly 100, it's not going to let you get the pizza. So that's why we have to put 99. So it works on exactly 100 if you get 100. Sorry. Okay. Score. Okay. If score bigger than 99, then change CPC by 2. Now look. Right now, it doesn't work. It doesn't work since we don't have 99 and not more than 99. So now we just gotta click really hard. I'll click really hard. Wait just a second. Let me just see if my, okay, good. It's recording. And now it works. See? Okay, we forgot to give it the function to subtract the amount. So I am very dumb. I forgot, bruh. Like, that's kind of embarrassing. You go here, you don't do anything here. Oh my gosh. If that. Okay, change score. What was it? Put this under CPS by -100. That was kind of embarrassing. Let me get back to. How did I completely forget about that, bro? That's kind of embarrassing, bro. Okay, like that. We got, and then boom. And yeah, now we're at 3 CP. Well, the reason why it's 3 is because, look, what we did was we added it so it gives us 2 CPC. But we already had 1 CPC in the beginning. So if you want to give it like, let's say we want to give it like, so every click gives you 10. You got to put 9 because 9 plus 1 is 10. Let's just get back to it with my insane clicking. My clicking is like about like 4, like that. So now it's actually, now every time we click, it gives it. The reason why that happens is because if we change it, because right now, look, it says the score changes depending on what the CPC is. And here, if we change the CPC, to something else, it's gonna, you know, do you get it? Yeah, you got it. We got it. Okay. Let's give it some more like, and anyways, what we could do is like, we can like duplicate this and make like more. We can give it like this one could be like, you need, let's say for this one you need 200 or 500. 500. This will be pizza 2. Pizza 2, and now we're gonna have to go back in the code, and this will give you 18 because we already had to. No, not 18, bro. 10. Change CPC by 10. So it's going to give 10 more than the 20. So let's get it. Also, wait. Before we do this, let me just real quick. So now if score bigger than 499, then minus 500 as well. Let's see. If you need to see what I did, this is just what I changed right here. Anyways, okay, so let's go back in the game. Let's do our insane spam Okay, by the way, I butterfly click and my mouse does like double click, so that's not why I sometimes pizza. We got pizza now. If we get another 100, we can get pizza again to give us more, but let's just get to 500 and then 5. Now we're at 20. Now each click we can go like that. And can like boom. We can do this. But if you don't want this to happen like this, how it's happening right now, like for it to do that, what you want to do is on each one of these, you want to do it so okay, now if this sprite clicked, no wait, on one of the sprite clicked, say wait, we can do a wait 0.1 seconds, and then just hide. Then we hide it. Let's do this. So now when we get 100, it's gonna like boom. No, and we got it. So now you can't click it again. So like if you just want to do that, but you don't need to. You can like make it so upgrades as infinite as you want. So this part, one sec, where is it? This part right here is optional. I'm just gonna keep it out just for now, but I'm gonna just keep it like right here. No, like right here, just in case. Boom. Okay. And if you're gonna keep like that, and you want it every time they press the flag again, when flag clicked, and then just put show. So look, let's say we hit it, we hit it, and then flag clicked, it's gonna show it. If you do like this, then when you flag click it, then it's gonna show. Okay, just like that. Okay, so now what are we gonna do now? Right now, so what else should we do? We could make it so like you can turn your score. You can change your coins into like money, so you can buy like even more stuff. So you can buy even more stuff. So if you want, well, let's do that. Let's do that real quick. Okay, we're gonna duplicate this, but we're gonna give it a new sprite. I'm gonna give it a new sprite. Let's just give the sprite this. Oh no, like that, and then take out the word. We can keep the words, but we can like put like hacker. Okay, and like $1. You can't purchase it with dollars because okay, what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna want to make a new variable. Variable will be called money. Okay. So we made money, and now money will be instead of score. So now if money more than 0, then we'll take this out. A change CPC. Oh, you remember that. Okay, how much? So if money will be very expensive. To get the money would be very expensive. By the way, we could take off CPC. The money will be very expensive. So what we're gonna do is like that. What we're gonna do is we're gonna say that how much? Let's just put the hacker one like right there. It will give our CPC, which is count per click. 100,000. Yeah. Is that 100? There. That's 1 million. There. That's, I think, yeah, that's 100,000. That's 100,000. Okay, so now, but right now we have no money. So we're gonna have to make a new sprite with like a money with like we can right here. Let's make like a circle right here real quick. Now like fill it in with green for money. And then we're gonna make that out. I'll give it an outline, a black outline, and then just like that. And then real quick, let's just give it a money symbol, a black money symbol like that. And then just make it bigger like that, and then put it right there. And now let's just take this and put it right here. We're gonna give this a script. So technically, what this is gonna do is we're gonna make this so if we get 1 million coins, if we get 1 million score, we can convert 1 million into one what's it called? $1 into $1, and we only need $1 for the hacker. And the hacker will give us a lot. So yeah. So what we want to do to start that is we want to do when this sprite clicked. If let's just take this real quick. If score is more than 999, I think, yeah, 9999, then change real quick. Change score by minus 10000. Wait. I think, yeah, that's 1 million. That's 1 million. Okay, now minus that. So, and then, change money by 1. It's really easy, just this right here. So now, it's not, so technically, we do have a clicker game. It does work. I'm gonna put music. I got you. What we do is when we get flag clicked, go on sounds. Let's just pick a sound. There's this one sound. It's called the dubstep. I already know what it sounds like. Let's take this whole part right here, fade it like that, and then like that, and then copy, and then here. And here, just like this. Then we take this part and then let's put it. Sheesh, dude, that actually goes real good. Let's take this part right here, delete, and just like that. So now we can do little flag clicked forever, and then just play dubstep until done. So like it's not just gonna be going on completely. Yeah, and then you can do that for like a clip. Yeah, that's good. What else should we put? What else should we put? Let's see if we want to make this real good. Should we put I don't know. Let's add a scoreboard. Yep, we're adding a scoreboard. Instead of this like a little higher, and right here, let's just make a new variable. No, not variable, bro. Let's make a new sprite. Let's just make a sprite real quick, and it's just gonna like just look like a trophy. Trophy. Just gotta do it like this, then make it yellow, like about like that, and then like that, and take this so it's like this. No, just like, let's just take this and make like a little, like, I guess something like that. Make it as the back layer and then make another thing like this. Now we have like a trophy, right? We have a trophy real quick. Okay, we have real quick. Trophy. It's not spelled trophy, I don't know. Let's just leave it like that. Bro, my spelling, it's because it's like about nighttime and I'm really tired. I really can't spell right now, but okay. So what we're gonna wanna do here is we're gonna wanna, just a second. Okay, back. So we're gonna put a when flagged clicked. We put it forever, and then we put if, and then score. If score bigger than score bigger than. Okay, this part here. Okay. We're gonna have to put a new variable here. So we're gonna have to make a new variable and this is a cloud variable. Let's call it record, and then okay. Okay, we got record right here. Let's hide it. Let's hide it, and also let's hide the CPC. Okay, we got record, and then we put here. Here we put record. We put it as cloud so it remembers. And everyone who plays, they're gonna have their record here. Whoever gets the most amount of points of score. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna have to make another one called cheated. Not that cheated like that. And okay. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put another if not cheated equals, now here we're going to put yes, and cheated right here. If cheated equal yes, then set record to score. Okay, right now it's gonna it saves everyone, but it doesn't like show. It doesn't show, but now let's save. Okay. Now go in project, and let's say we get like a, and then look, it's gonna save here. It's gonna say value, since the most I got so far in this was 4. So 4 is the. But now if I get like, no, not 4. Now if I get like 38. Now it's gonna save 38, see? Okay, but we want to, like, when we click that, it's gonna like show, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this. Well, first let's name it Clicker Game Test. You don't need to call it that, but that's just what I'm gonna call it. So here on this. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a when this sprite clicked, say. And then join. We're gonna put a join. Let me just zoom in so you can see. Now let's put a join. We're gonna join right here. We're gonna put record, and right here, this is what it's gonna say. Record for coins are, and then hyphen the boom like that, and it's gonna say that for 2 seconds. Okay, now let's just also take out cheated real quick. Like that. So now look, every time like let's play. One flag clicked. No, not one flag clicked. It's supposed to be for when this sprite clicked. Now I'm gonna put the sprite in there. Look, let's go right now. The moment we just go right now. Okay, it's gonna say it's 47. It's the record because no one else played it yet. 55. And it saves. And now we save. So that, and now we go on the C project and project page. It's still gonna say 55 because that is the, well, look, if we go back to 0, 55 because it's saved in the cloud. It's saved in the cloud. So if y'all wanna play this, then feel free. I would like to see who got the most. You know. Also, one more thing. If you want to put like a thumbnail, no worries. Let's just put a thumbnail. Let's zoom in. Put a scratch. We'll put a. Wait, first let's go back. Boom. Like that. Okay, fill in the whole entire screen just like this. Now zoom in. Let's not have it purple because purple. Why would someone have purple on their thing? Okay, now this color will be like blue, and this will be like there, and then we're gonna. Okay, and like this and like this. Okay. What we're gonna want to do is okay, so we got this, and let's make like just the picture. So now let's get a scratch cat, paint, and then no, not paint. Let's get the scratch cat. Scratch cat will be cat. Okay, there. Like this. Okay, select it all just like that, and then copy costume 1 like that. Let's just make like the big cat like this in just a second. Be right back. Okay. So we get the sketch cat like this, real big. Let's just put this right like in the middle, and then let's put the scratch. We can get it. You can do this in Photoshop or something. I'm just doing it in here because, like this. Okay. Oh yeah, you're making me real happy, dude. Okay, like that. Okay, we got it like this, and then. Yeah, this is probably not what it's gonna look like because it looks so bad. Let's show you how it was. It looks good like this, and then it looks just like old scratch cat looks the best. Not gonna lie, like this, and then let's just make a quick mouse real quick. So let's speed run this like that. We got that, and then zoom in like that. Click this, and then. We made that, and now let's just make now we're making like a cursor, so it looks like that, and fill this in white. So that, and then select this, go like this. Yeah, we gotta make this way smaller. And make it like it's clicking on the cat. Now let's get this sprite right here. Let's copy this, like paste it like right here, and then just go like this. Okay, and also we're gonna want to do this. We're gonna do so when flag clicked, show variable CPC and score. So now we can, if we want, we can hide them. And now we can save. Also, when flag clicked. Okay, like that. And now when flag clicked. Here, when flag clicked, hide. So now look, now save. We're gonna save it when it's like this, so technically it saves like. Now it saves this picture right here. So this is gonna be the thumbnail. Save on. Let's say we're gonna get it. And here, and also here you can put the number of seconds on my name. Now let's go on lithium in the. Now let's restart the page real quick. I guess we accidentally saved it while it was like inside. Sorry about that. Hide. And now save. Now see in project. Now look at now when you play, and then yeah. Now if we close it, then yeah, we could restart it. But they're gonna show the records. So I want to see y'all's records. Okay, now see ya.